Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've done the video, but I've been doing all sorts of shit, to be honest with you. So I've got this one here. It's a Hyundai i10 and it's got a noise on it, really weird. I'm just gonna sort of a squealing noise when slowing down. Let's see if I can. You might not be able to hear it. There. It comes in and goes with the brakes. I think I'm gonna have a look at the brakes on it. Maybe the passenger side.
Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart how you keep changing for him. Never forget who you are. You butterfly. You're a butterfly. Butterfly. Wings spread, just let it fly. Butterfly. Butterfly. What is life without brightness? Be a light. You were never quiet, never so shy. Now you're so serious all of the time. Show me that smile, it's not too late to reinvent yourself. Ooh. Bust out your cocoon, spray on your perfume, and go enjoy your new point of view. There's no way you can lose, the world works for you. Now that you're just don't say it's love. You know it ain't sweet enough. Just don't say it's love. I've heard this shit too much. Just don't say it's love. And don't say, don't say, don't say. Don't say, don't say, don't say. I know it drives you crazy, cause I don't ever stay home. And you've been calling me lately, but I don't ever pick up my phone. Ooh, oh, I spent a couple weeks on the road. Ooh, oh, you say you understand, but you don't.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride.
So I've not actually listened to the previous video back, so I'm not sure whether you could hear it. But I've put some disc and pads on it. At first I thought it was a heat shield catch on the back of the disc. There were some witness marks on it, but it wasn't that. I moved that back, test drove it, we were alright. But it was actually the shim on the pad. The pad was 90%, well 100% worn, I suppose, if it's down to the wear indicator, and it was that were catching on the disc. And yeah, it's fine now, no problems at all. Obviously the brakes will need bedding in slightly, but there's no noise. So yeah, give it on back and happy days. Quite an easy job really, not too bad on these. Pads are a bit tight going in, they will free up. So yeah guys, another one done. So thanks a lot for watching. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully we've got a lot more to come. I've got a few jobs coming up, hopefully some decent ones as well. So please, again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button guys, and please just help me keep this channel growing.